Hey y'all, let's get into this avocado toast. One of my favorite breakfast items, okay? First, we're going to start off with this sourdough bread. I did go all the way to Panera's Bread to buy their sourdough. They have the best, and I got it cut thick. I'm going to spread butter, real butter, onto both sides of this sourdough bread. Now, the reason why sourdough is a good choice is because it's a good sturdy bread that can withstand the weight of the avocado once you toast it. Otherwise, if you use like a brioche or white or something like that, it's kind of flimsy and it won't hold the weight of the avocado when you spread it, okay? So we're going to take the rest of this butter and butter the other side. No toasters today. We are using the good old frying pan. So I'm going to spread this butter from end to end, using the least amount of butter that I can. Y'all know I don't really need no butter, but butter makes everything better. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and spread this into the other side. Place that on a medium heat. We don't want to go too fast because we don't want to burn it. And once it's toasted nice and lightly on one side, we're just going to give that a flip and do that to the other side. And look at that, y'all. Perfectly toasted. Now, this is some smashed avocado that I put together. I did add some garlic and red onion and lime into it. Okay, and a little cilantro, So basically, it was a lot like a guacamole. It was a lot like a guacamole, or just about the same thing as a guacamole, but that's the way I like it. So yes, I used about this much that you see on top of the toast. Oh, guys, this was so good. Okay, let's continue. So good. Okay, so we're just going to spread that end to end, make sure all of the bread is covered. And then we're going to hit it with some pickled onions, y'all. I love pickled onions. So we're going to take that pickled onion and spread it across the entire slice of avocado toast. This gives it such a kick of tangy, sour, but oniony. I don't know what to say, but it gives it a good kick. Try it. If you have not already tried it, try it. Trust me. Trust me. So we're going to spread that evenly on the entire slice of avocado toast and then add some everything bagel seasoning. This really tops it off well, gives it that nutty flavor that goes so well with avocado toast. And look at that. Here we go. Avocado. Y'all comment below. Comment below. What do you put on top of your avocado toast?